guys, welcome to my channel. Today is day 3 at Halong Bay, Vietnam, and good morning you guys. It's 7:30 in the morning and we are all set to go to our next destination. Um, Trust me, I did not sleep much yesterday. I just had 3-4 hours ka sleep because the day was really hectic and then I had to pack my bags and everything to go where we have to go. And yes, the cab has come down. I am super excited. मैं अभी बस में आ चुकी हूँ and we are waiting for other passengers to come. I think we are going to have stop जहाँ पे they said that while going we will be taking the passengers in the bus. So yes, I think it's gonna be long, around 2 hours to reach the place, but I think I'm gonna just sleep in the bus. You guys, trust me, I think after a lot of years I would be traveling in bus, and it's fun to travel in bus. I mean, there are a lot of people together, you know, we would be getting a chance to talk and exactly know from where they are. I love such kind of places. Also, I think it's quite it's drizzling right now abhi, बारिश हो रही है, and it's 7:30, 7:45 in the morning, so it's too gloomy. तो ये था हमारा बस गाइज एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द पैसेंजर्स टू कम सिंस द गाय इज ही वेंट आउट टू गेट देम इन द बस.
And Red River in northern Vietnam, and it comes from China territory. The first place it come into Vietnam territory in Lao Cai province in Sapa, and more it look like a stream. Yeah. They call Red River because the color, the water always look red, but now many them step up.
और मुझे ना इतनी ज़्यादा नींद आ रही थी, मतलब मैं सोने की कोशिश कर रही थी बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप बिकॉज ये जो मेरी सीट है वो बार बार पीछे जा रही थी, मतलब एक जगह पे रुक नहीं रही थी. सो आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई couldn't sleep. You will probably see me wearing this jacket all my trip because as of now I've gotten my winter wear clothes and I don't have much clothes, so it's okay. तो मैंने बस में फिर से सोने की कोशिश की बट मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी एंड ही वॉज द गाय हु वॉज असिस्टिंग अस फॉर 2 hours. तो हमें आईडी पहनने थे बिकॉज वी वर गोना टेक अ क्विक स्टॉप. वी जस्ट टुक अ स्टॉप हियर. I mean, it's a nice souvenir shop as well as there's a coffee shop inside before we go to Halong Bay. Hello.
My name is Kaylee. Nice to meet you. Just show please.
So basically this was also an oyster factory and a pearl shop where they make pearls over here. तो वो भी शायद इनको हमें दिखाना था, तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे स्टॉप लिया था एंड शी वॉज गोइंग टू असिस्ट अस बिफोर गोइंग इनसाइड. तो now we are waiting where she would be explaining us about the pearls and the process of how the pearls are made and everything. तो यहाँ पे पर्ल्स बनने के अलग अलग स्टेप्स होते हैं. ये है स्टेप 1. उसके बाद में 2-3 चीज़ें थी जहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे दिखा रहे थे कि ऑयस्टर्स को कितने साल लगते हैं, सॉरी पर्ल को कितना साल लगता है तो एक्चुअल में वो बनने के लिए. तो ये पूरा प्रोसेस यहाँ पे लाइव वो हमको दिखा रहे थे एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग एट इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो आई वॉज वेरी मच एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई हैड नेवर सीन हाउ पर्ल्स आर मेड, यू नो. सो दिस वॉज एब्सोल्युटली अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. So after watching the process and everything, finally we entered the showroom and oh my god, the showroom was huge. I mean, it was full of pearls, necklaces थे, earrings थे, बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी थी एक्चुअली. यहाँ पे आपको किसी को गिफ्ट देना हो, आपको खुद के लिए लेना हो तो ऑफकोर्स आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हो. प्राइस रेंज ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं था. आई मीन कैटेगराइज डिपेंड करता है आपको क्या लेना है, उसके हिसाब से दे हैड केप्ट ऑल द थिंग्स ओवर हियर. Hi, so we have reached at the location at Halong Bay. We would be staying in a cruise, guys, for 1 day, and I'm super excited to show you my cruise. Finally, there's gonna be water. I would be seeing water after such a long time, and I couldn't wait to explore my cruise for 2 days. 2 days. So this is the waiting area, and we would be sitting here for some time till they arrange our rooms and everything. So guys, I'm waiting here for the mini cruise to come, and after that they would be taking us to our actual big cruise for which we are waiting, and I can't wait to just go inside the cruise and enjoy my day over there. So yeah, we are going to be at this cruise where we are going to be there for 2 days, and it is not that cold what I thought, because Hanoi में बहुत ज़्यादा cold था, यहाँ पे उतना है नहीं, so which is cool because I get to wear all my clothes which I had decided, and I wanted to do a photo shoot in that, so I am super excited for that. But yes, it's been an hour where we are sitting right now, where we are waiting for our mini cruise to come, but uske baad, you know, they're going to take us to the big cruise and we have the lunch over there and everything, and in the evening we have a nice, I think, a cocktail event where we would be having our cocktails, chill with people in the cruise and have fun. So yes. So guys, हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं finally after 2 hours, and yes, this is our cruise. It's a mini cruise where they would be taking us to our final big cruise. Luggage उन्होंने पहले ही रख दिया है अंदर. Hello.
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 How are you?
Thank you. And here we are finally set to go. We all were super excited and let's go. तो अभी इसके बाद वापस we had a 25 minutes का journey from this mini cruise to this big cruise and couldn't wait, guys. So he was telling us about the precautions and the safety which we had to take while we were staying on the cruise. And meanwhile, I was absolutely enjoying my time on this little cruise because I love water. See, I'm scared of water, but still I was like, कुछ नहीं होता है, and I was enjoying my overall time यहाँ पे because मुझे पता था कि अभी पूरा 1-2 दिन मुझे वहीं पे रहना है. And जैसे ही हम लोग आगे जा रहे थे, we could literally see the amazing view which for what we had come here, and धीरे धीरे हमें वो view दिखने लगा था. And जैसे ही हम लोग वहाँ पे एंटर कर रहे थे, this was the first view which we got to see, and I was super excited to see our cruise. So this was the cruise, guys, and we had reached here after 25 to 30 minutes. So this is the entrance of the cruise. It's the ground floor and it is about the third floor. Hi. Guys, we are going up now, going on the third floor. Wow, 1 second. आई गेस हम सब लोगों को इतनी ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी बिकॉज सुबह से हम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं खाया था, एंड देन ही वेलकम्ड अस विद द वाटरमेलन जूस, एंड आई थिंक आवर लंच वाज रेडी हियर एंड वी वर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट हैविंग अ लंच. आई हैव रीच्ड. So yes, we were super hungry, but he had to give us some information about the cruise. So we're waiting for till that time. It's time to have lunch now. सो लंच में वेज नॉन वेज दोनों ही था, बट आपके प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से आपको पहले उनको बताना पड़ता है कि आप वेजिटेरियन हो, नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू गेट टू हैव योर फूड. ऑफिस चार्जेस सो बेसिकली आप जब यहाँ पे आते हो एंड देयर इज अ सेट मेन्यू व्हाट यू गेट टू हैव, लाइक फर्स्ट दे आस्क योर प्रेफरेंस लाइक वेजिटेरियन, नॉन वेजिटेरियन, एंड so we have to tell them that, and after that whatever drinks you have, like coffee से लेके drinks तक, it's chargeable, and that's okay. I was not knowing it. I thought that it's complimentary, so I ordered it, but it's okay. You are on vacation and you got to enjoy everything. तो एनीवेज़ मेरी कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी मैंने इन्जॉय करने के बाद मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा क्रूज़ देखने का मन हो रहा था. आई रियली वांटेड टू सी व्हाट ऑल दे हैव, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी डिड वाज वी जस्ट केम इनसाइड, वी वेंट ऑन द थर्ड फ्लोर एंड वी स्टार्टेड हैविंग अ लंच. सो टाइम। तो मेरी एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ही ज़्यादा थी क्योंकि मेरे को सबसे पहले तो बाहर जाना था और आप लोगों को दिखाना था कि एक तो ये एक्साइटमेंट के मारे डोर ओपन नहीं हो रहा था, बट फाइनली डोर ओपन हो गया एंड आई एम इन द बालकनी गाइस। This is so cute. Balcony in the cruise. Oh. God. This is my first time in the cruise, guys, and oh my god, I have been like dreaming about it to stay in the cruise. Wow. Can you believe it? Like, we are actually on the water. Like, actually on the water. And there's no one to disturb you. कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ आप हो और पानी है. Wow, man. I am that kind of person who's always scared of water, but then all I know is I have to enjoy these things, and fear cannot let that, let that thing not happen. So this is what it is. Me sitting in my balcony on the cruise, guys. You should definitely try this, definitely. And can you believe it? I was actually gonna skip the cruise because I'm scared of water, and I was like, I don't want to go. But then my mom was like, Zana tu kai, it's okay. I mean, there are so many people who are there to take care of you, and it's okay. You just have to go. Like, but 2 days prior, I was like, I don't want to go. So here I am, and all you got to see is this amazing view. Wow. I'm showing you my room. This is the room, guys. Cute. It has got the cupboard out there where you can keep your clothes. There's a small coffee station where I can make coffee for myself. That's the washroom. Bed, a nice side table with a lamp where I can charge my phones, and this is what it is. It is, wow, it's my balcony with this amazing water view. I can stay here as long as I can want, as long as I wish for, and I want to get my parents over here because my dad, he loves such kind of places a lot. Next time I'm gonna get him here. My mom also loves it, but my dad loves such kind of places more. Now I would be showing you the washroom what we have got, and this is it. This is the best part, guys. It has got the bathtub and with the view. One second, I'm just trying to. This is what it is, guys. I need to close the door so that I can show you. Yes. Bathtub with the amazing view of the sea. And here I am pretty happy with the room. And the dryer. That's the shower area. एक्टिविटीज़ होने वाला है. आई एम सो स्कैर्ड. मैं नहीं करूँगी. आई थिंक आई जस्ट सिट इन boat and I'll watch people doing it because that's also fun, but I don't think so I won't do any water activities. What I'm thinking, let's see. I do get anxiety, guys. बहुत ज़्यादा anxiety होती है. I don't do it. I'm gonna go for boating now. Anxiety. I am having an anxiety right now. It's okay. I'm gonna be fine. So as you can see, the water is green and it is beautiful. So people are doing kayaking over here. मुझे देखने में मज़ा आ रहा था. मैं करूँगी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Cool, it started. चालू हो गया guys अभी. I'm gonna do boating. She's gonna take us now. I am having anxiety. Anyways, you can see me. Yes. मैंने उनको बता दिया फाइनली कि मुझे स्विमिंग आती नहीं है और मैं अभी सेफ़ हूँ. सो आई थिंक आफ्टर सम टाइम आई गॉट अ बिट कंफर्टेबल बिकॉज यू नो आप कुछ देर बाद आप कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हो. You have liked this vlog. अगर आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगा होगा and if you want me to make such more content, आप please like, share और subscribe करना ना भूलिए. Bye bye, take care.